Kasi marami pong lalaki dyan. And pag nawala sa'yo, ang chance mo na makapagtapos sa pag-aaral, paano yung future mo, yung kinabukasan mo?
I have no boyfriend because my topmost priority is to study hard, and I believe that I would like to share one of the books on the Bible, which is the Ecclesiastes chapter 1. Let's start from the book of Ecclesiastes. That everything has its own time. A time to love and a time to have a boyfriend. And I believe that we are not just girls, and we are looking for a godly man. And that's it.
Hindi po muna ako manginipag-boyfriend kasi po, for me, ang first priority ko po is ang pag-aaral ko. Kaya isa naman mag-focus tayo sa pagkikipag-boyfriend, mas mag-focus na lang tayo sa ating pag-aaral upang sa ganun may kinabukasan tayo.
Well, for me, there's no such thing as distraction. It depends on you, how you handle your goals and priority in life. I don't have a boyfriend because I am waiting for God-given man. After all, bakit ko sasayangin yung pagmamahal at effort ko sa isang taong hindi ko naman makakasama habang buhay? And I do believe na yung maling tao sa tamang circumstance is still the wrong man. That's all.
Thank you very much. Boyfriendless ladies. Last 3 questions, but the third question will come from me. So, Madam Vivian and Sir Benji. Sino? Sir Benji.
Yeah, I would like to our candidates number 2, number 4. So it is a dito. Number 5, then number 13, number 7, number 13, 14, 15. Okay. And I want you to answer this in your young awit. Because it seems like you don't know how to speak your own language now. You are trying to impress us. We are not yet impressed. Okay. Please answer this question in Tawi. Ano yung reaction ninyo dun sa pagkakakulong ng idol niyo na si Bong Revilla?
Actually po, balik ka idol ni Senator Bong Revilla. So, I'll send him na lang po.
Tawi.
Kaya niya. Kaya niya. Go. Go.
Malitera sigurado nakapapatila. And malitera awan pera siguro awan pera nga makasay. Then awan pera nga karapatan nga i-charge si Gina. And then siguro malitera Gina itatang kasi hindi naman malitera ako siya punto and that's it. Thank you po.
Hindi ko idol ni Bong Revilla. Pero yung nangyari din niya na iso na, kaya dapat lang na naikulong ito na kasi nadawin din namin na
Evidence is based itself po.
Tawi, please. It's very clear your answer. Tawi.
Suklian na yan, yung wala nga mali. Kasi na-evidensya. And then,
Next.
Ibang pamilya, sakto lang na naitulungin ko na taanda baso na. Kung nasa sa si tao na baso na, dapat ada sa pakita.
Para tanyakan, marit na ikay nga gusto o nung maligi gong rebidya. Para kanyakan maritet mo banasinan ni ebidensya, irakan ikina. Gina pa rin nga, kaya nga dapat may bukong ikina o nung mari dapat ikina mapukong. Nagtanong at ikina, pero mari nga unfair, mari nga fair, mari nga patay-patay agin ng densya pare-parehas layan nga siya preso nga napapukong. Dapat, marita nga komportable itong rebidya, may pupok, marita ikway ka na kwarto nga napipiyay at dyan nga, pare-parehas layan o layan siya preso nga nakaliwat. So dapat, pantay, nagritalay at trato dapat niya to, layirakan niya, kapupukan, nilaman. Thank you.
Para kaniyakan, sakto lang na ikulong ibong rebidya kasi nakaliwat at ina. Nakokol ka kwarto.
Round 2 for me. Ito, a provincial level beauty pageant, Binibining Cagayan for that matter, is never complete without a Miss Pia chosen to be one of the winners. Alam niyo ba yun? Napapressure ba kayo? Pero hindi yun nagtatapos. If ever you are chosen as Miss Pia, and you will be given the privilege to have a 15-minute talk with Mayor Blanc Villaseñor. 15 minutes lang yan. Ano ang sasabihin niyo sa kanya?
I want to tell him, for Mayor Villaseñor, that he should focus on the youth, especially their education. I want him to help the youth, especially the poor one, because I want them to finish their studies. Because I know if they are graduate or if they are well-learned, they will be a well-rounded individual. They will get a better future that will help the country to be progressive. Thank you.
Para sa akin po, idudulog ko po kay Mayor Blanc Villaseñor ang pag-suporta po niya para sa mga kabataan. Para po makapagtapos at para po makapagtapos sa kanilang pag-aaral. Kung may mga kabataan man po hindi po nag-aaral, dapat po nilang i-prioritize o gumawa po sila ng programa para po matulungan ang mga kabataan ngayon. Yakan, awa ko nga halong nga, ano man yun na, I am your brother mo po, pero kayo ni Barkada, hantay niyo siya, pero hindi po. Your brother niyo po.
I will be lucky chosen. If I will be lucky enough to be chosen as a Miss Pia 2014, I will tell your Mayor that I will be the ambassador of goodwill here in our municipality, and I will encourage him to help us youths, most especially we students who are very interested to finish our studies. Thank you.
Given chance to talk with the mayor and ask his help to promote my advocacy, which is the youth empowerment. Since SK has been abolished, if I win Miss Pia, I'll make a way to empower the youth to promote our town and and we will help hand on hand to promote more our town of Piat, especially our tourism. Thank you.
I with Miss Salvani 2014. I will seek the cooperation of local government, especially along the highway, to embark the cleanliness and the beautifications so that more and more people will attract and visit the Blessed Virgin.
I would like to say thank you for all
Why? It is because of this group, I've learned a lot, and they are training the youth like me to become a leader and to become a great Pilipino that someday may lead or may help our municipality to be more progressive. That will be all. Thank you.
And finally, given a chance to talk with Mr. Black Villasete, I want to tell him that I want to promote CAD and I want to be the ambassador of goodwill, not only outside appearance, but also, most important, inside. That would be.
Thank you very much. Ayaw ko kayo sa inyong mga upuan. Tayo po muna. Application ng quality, ano? Ito po yung huling katanungan para sa inyong lahat. Madalas po itong tinatanong, kailangan po namin tanungin ito para sa inyo. Dahil ito ang kainan kung bakit pinasok ang contest na ito, ang Miss Pia 2014. So, ang tanong ko para sa inyong lahat, pero nawa ko kayo magkopyahan sa Mr. Reggie. Ang sagot, kailangan ng iba-iba ang training namin. Bakit kailangan kayo ang makoronahan bilang Miss Pia 2014? Nag-umpisahan natin kay candidate number 18.
Dapat lamang po na ako ang makaranahan bilang Miss Pia kasi may tiwala po ako sa aking sarili. I have the guts, the body, the brain, the beauty, and finally the sportsmanship. And with that, and decent I am to present myself before the public. That's all.
Kung ako man ang mananalo, ay dapat ako ang maging Miss Pia, o ako ang maging Miss Pia 2014. Kasi naniniwala ako na kayang-kaya ko at hindi ako ang pipiliin ng aming kapitan, ang aking kagawad. Kung wala akong beauty and brain, naniniwala ako ako yung pinili nila kasi may tiwala sila sa akin at may tiwala din ako sa aking sarili.
Dapat na ako ang kakaranahan sa Miss Pia. Kasi naniniwala ko na pinakita ko yung kakayahan ko sa tao. Dito, pinakita ko ang kakayahan ko sa mga tao dito sa Pia. Yun lang po.
I believe that my edge among the other candidates and I should be crowned as Miss Pia 2014 because aside from I'm a God-fearing and self-disciplined person, I am a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Biology, wherein I can say that I am more knowledgeable in making Pia more clean, more green, and more beautiful. Thank you.
I should be crowned as Miss Pia 2014 because I believe that I am a witty person and have the beauty and the body. And I can also be a role model to every, especially the youth of Piat. And I have a lot of, if I will be given the opportunity to be crowned. I have a lot of programs to be coordinated with the local government unit and with the help also of the Department of Tourism to primarily promote this beautiful town of Piat. Thank you.
I know that all of us candidates are willing to give our whole effort and our hard work just to win the crown. But I am assuring you ladies that I will win the crown. It is because I have the qualities of a true Piateña, and I am very much eager to win the crown. And I will never give chance to the others. I will just take the crown by myself. That will be all. Thank you.
I know when I believe in myself, I believe in myself that I know that I can get the crown. I deserve to get the crown. Actually, this is my second time to join Miss Piat. And as they say, quitters never win. And I know and I believe that luck is waiting for me now. Thank you.
That should be me who will wear the crown. Because I want more challenges